It'll be a pretty nice day today. Still nice outside right now.
Yeah, and it sounds like we better enjoy it because things are really going to change after tomorrow, George. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, we have some rain coming on in. I know we need some rain. It's been rather dry, but you know, the timing always is in question. And when it happens heading into the weekend, over the weekend, yeah, that's not the best. Well, the 13 weather ball is blinking bright for that rain coming our way in sight. May hold off till tomorrow afternoon here at Grand Rapids. It's also blue, a little cooler weather in view around the area. We still have a little bit of haze in the air, few fair weather cumulus clouds all the way around. Looking great all around West Michigan. Temperatures in the low 80s for the most part. Just about everyone is there, with dew points still comfortable, but the dew points are going to start to rise. They'll be up into the low and mid 60s by late tonight and during the day tomorrow. Out on Lake Michigan, this is a really nice view with lots of sunshine with 1-foot waves along the lake shore. And as far as the beach cam, we're at 79 degrees with a light wind. Just a beautiful day to be at the beach. Water temperatures range from the mid 60s to near 70 degrees warmer to the south and west over southern Lake Michigan. Mostly sunny skies today, a few fair weather cumulus clouds, but the high clouds are going to start to come in here very late tonight, and those will overspread the region throughout the day tomorrow, but it'll take a little while for the rain to develop. Right now it's just rain, and that rain will push in during the morning hours tomorrow along the lakeshore. It may take until afternoon to reach Grand Rapids, but everyone will see some rain before the sun goes down here tomorrow night. As far as tomorrow night, there could be a rumble of thunder, but then we get a little bit of a break on Friday afternoon, some sunshine, and then more showers, maybe a rumble of thunder Friday night, and then showers on and off Saturday and again on Sunday. These will not be all-day rains. There's some breaks in the clouds from time to time, but you can expect unsettled weather through the weekend. Rainfall, nothing between now and daybreak tomorrow. Most of the rain will come in the afternoon here in Grand Rapids. We're not looking for heavy rain, maybe about 1/4 of an inch, but another 1/2 inch overnight to Thursday night into Friday morning. We'll add to that again on Saturday, another 1/4 of an inch, and perhaps another 1/4 of an inch during the day on Sunday. Long range outlook, well, here you go. Here's the rain breakdown from day to day. 1/4 to 1/2 an inch each day all the way tomorrow through Sunday, and then after that a nice week coming up next week. Here's your long range outlook from the 20th through 24th. Still that cool pool of air overhead, higher chances that will be cooler than our average high of around 80 to 81, and a close to or a slightly higher chance for less precipitation as well during that 5-day period. Tonight look for increasing clouds as the high clouds roll in, low and mid 60s, a little milder than last night. Similar up north, around 60 to 62 for your overnight lows. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll stop around 61, 62 or so, maybe even as warm as 63. Might have to close the windows here tonight. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted the second half of tomorrow and the first half of Friday with the impacts. And we'll see temperatures cool off on Saturday with scattered showers. They'll start to diminish during the day on Sunday. All next week, we've got cooler temperatures returning. A little bit of haze in the air early on in the week. What a delightful week coming up next week. Just got to get between now and then with those scattered showers, guys.
Fortunately on the weekend too, but
yeah,
we'll deal with it. Thanks so much, George.
Another beautiful summer day here in West Michigan. A little haze in the air all the way around, feeling really good. Now, we're going to start to see some rain and higher humidity return. It's been about 10 days since we've seen any significant rain here in the Grand Rapids area. All of that coming on that Monday morning when we had all the severe weather down to our south. None of that headed in our direction. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We do have afternoon and overnight showers tomorrow. It's also blue, a little bit cooler weather in view. If you're going to walk the dog, we have clear skies for Cindy, and those are two good-looking guys, Eastwood and Otis. And we're going to give you the green paw this evening. Kind of warm though, and it'll be milder in the morning under mostly cloudy skies. Still a green paw. Less sunshine tomorrow, mainly overcast skies, 2.7 compared to today's 8.7. Winds up just a bit here tomorrow, but most of the green energy will be lacking from sun and wind. Lots of clear skies. We've had a few fair weather cumulus clouds again, which is very typical for this time of year. And back to the west, we're tracking an area of some rain. This is just rain coming across. We'll see the clouds first Rain's going to run into some drier air because high pressure is still in control, but now it's shifted to the east, so winds are turning more to the south. You can watch the high clouds increase overnight tonight. We'll start the day with mostly cloudy skies, and then will become overcast throughout the day, and rain into the afternoon here in Grand Rapids, and into the evening could be some scattered thunderstorms, but nothing severe. And then we're going to get a break early in the day on Friday. This is sunshine later in the day, and then Friday night into Saturday we have some scattered showers, and we'll repeat this again during the afternoon on Sunday with popping up in the middle of the afternoon and then pushing to the east, and finally we'll see some clearing and a nicer weather pattern shaping up next week. Between now and daybreak, nothing here in West Michigan in terms of rainfall. By the end of the day here tomorrow, maybe a 1/4 of an inch south and west of Grand Rapids, 3/4 of an inch by early on Friday morning, and then Friday afternoon, nothing going on, but we could see another 1/4 to a 1/2 an inch both Saturday and again during the day on Sunday. Not a complete washout. There'll be some breaks in the clouds, but some scattered showers from time to time. Looking farther ahead, our 8 to 14 day outlook taking us from the 22nd through the 28th. Still a higher chance that we'll see cooler than average readings, which at that time are now in the upper 70s to near 80, and a higher chance for less precipitation also during that 7-day period. Forecast then for tonight, look for clear to partly cloudy skies, and then mostly cloudy late tonight, low and mid 60s at the lakeshore. Northern part of our viewing area around 60 to 62. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, yeah, we're going to have to close the windows now because it's going to be a little bit more humid. Low 60s for overnight lows. 13 on your side forecast. We highlighted tomorrow afternoon through Friday morning with the higher impacts for some showers. There'll be a couple of rumbles of thunder Thursday evening, but all of that ending Friday morning. On Saturday, 60% of the area seeing some scattered showers, high of 76. Fewer showers on Sunday, but still, nonetheless, there still will be an impact with that with a high of 81. Next week, lots of blue skies, a little haze early on in the week, but more comfortable temperatures in the 70s. So, yep, timing is suspect. We don't like to have it happen over the weekend.
No, we don't.
But we can deal with it. We need the rain, as you said. Just, you know, maybe bring an umbrella wherever you're going this weekend.
Plan
Good idea.
accordingly. Thank you, George. I was looking at that Grand Haven Tower cam, George. People who were going to the beach today had a pretty good day there.
I hope they put their sunscreen on.
I know. We told them last night at 11, didn't we?
We certainly did. Yeah, you still need sun protection this time of year, even though there's been a little bit less sunshine, more haze in the air. But now, Juliet, it's not going to be real great beach days. We've got some showers and maybe rumbles of thunder on the way. 13 weather ball tonight is blinking bright. We have afternoon and evening showers in sight tomorrow. It's also blue, a little cooler, but more humid weather in view. Highs today, low and mid 80s, warmer in some locations compared to yesterday. We're exactly the same as we were yesterday, and we forecast 84 for a high on your Wednesday. We have a bullseye 28 days in a row now within our target range. Hope to continue that on through the weekend. Weekend forecast is going to be a bit of a challenge. Upper level winds driving our weather pattern. Right now, we still have them out of the west and northwest. It's kept us a little bit on the drier side, but this little wave right in through here is going to start to push in over the weekend, and then we get an upper level low that just kind of hangs around all the way through Sunday. So we're going to see unsettled weather starting Friday afternoon, Saturday, and again on Sunday. Before that, finally, it moves to the east. We're still going to see cooler than average temperatures all the way through the middle part of next week, maybe even on into the weekend. Upper level winds are not really going to be out of the southwest. They'll be out more of a west-northwest flow. So again, we will see a little bit cooler than average temperatures. Around the region, we're starting to track this area of clouds and some light rain falling. Some of that will be approaching the lakeshore very late tonight, tomorrow morning, but hour by hour, we're going to see mainly an increase to our cloud cover here tonight. This is what the weather maps look like tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Watch the showers move in during the afternoon. Everyone will see rain throughout the afternoon into the evening hours. There could be some rumbles of thunder tomorrow evening. And then on Friday, we're going to break things out. We may actually see a good deal of sunshine in the afternoon. And then that unsettled weather moves in for Friday night into Saturday, on and off showers. Then we'll get some breaks. On Saturday night, we'll see some breaks in the clouds and then more pop-up showers during the day on Sunday. So all 4 of those days, Thursday through Sunday, will at least have a chance of some rain. Here's all the way through daybreak. Nothing even as close to us as Milwaukee, but by the end of the day tomorrow, we could see a 1/4 to a 1/2 an inch of rain. and then a little bit more during the evening. Friday, we'll have a little bit of a break, 72/100 of an inch all day on Friday. And then Friday night into Saturday, about another 1/4 of an inch of rain, and similar during the day on Sunday, about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain. And then that will be it, because next week we're going to certainly have a dry and slightly cooler weather pattern. So for tomorrow, it'll already be cloudy in the morning. We'll hit the upper 70s to near 80, higher humidity as well, kind of breezy with that rain. In the inland areas, the rain may hold off until early afternoon, upper 70s to near 80. Winds will pick up out of the south and southeast. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, rain early in the day, moving to the east in the afternoon, highs around 78 to 80. 13 on your side forecast. Everyone will be impacted at least tomorrow afternoon through Friday morning with those showers, maybe a rumble of thunder Thursday evening, and then most of the rest of the day will be sunny on Friday. Over the weekend, we have chances for rain both Saturday and again on Sunday, with temperatures in the 70s on Saturday, maybe 81 on Sunday. And then next week, dry weather, a little bit of haze early on in the week, but generally a cooler but dry weather pattern all next week.
So probably tonight is not a good evening to get a car wash.
No, not if you don't want to just to get your car wet again.
Get a natural car wash tomorrow.
There you go.
Thank you, George.